How you guys doing? My name is Rick Jeffries. I am one of the owners at Automotive Elegance. Right now I'm broadcasting from Londonderry, New Hampshire, where we are happy to announce our grand opening of our third location. Right now I'd like to take a minute to talk about the floor that you see here. So what we have here is a custom floor that I designed with a very good friend of mine who is owner of a company called Quartz Carpet. I've personally known Brian for about 10 years now, and Brian and I have kept in contact, and as both of our businesses had continued to grow, we've really just continued to work together, find ways to collaborate, and I'm extremely happy to show customers our custom floor that we had both in our client waiting area as well as inside of our shop. Now, the reason why I choose to work with Quartz Carpet is because they really are masters of their craft. Brian is a true craftsman when it comes to delivering visions that people have for specific brand recognition, or just to do something that's off the cuff than your traditional epoxy that most every business has nowadays. So I cannot personally recommend Brian and Quartz Carpet enough. He really revolutionizes what people consider a traditional floor. He can really make it the centerpiece of any business, and I am happy to recommend Brian, his team. I mean, I just cannot say enough great things about their business. So by all means, if you guys have anything automotive related, whether it's paint protection film from Expel, ceramic coating, window tint, we are certainly masters of our craft. We'd like to add a first-class experience to anything that we do and really shatter the stereotype that people typically have with anything related to the automotive industry. As you can see, our facility is really top-notch, so I'd highly encourage you to come visit us. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and we'd love to service anything with your new automobile. So come on down.